Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you a walkthrough through our project Gig Finance, which is a parametric income protection platform that we have built for India's gig delivery workers. So let me start with the problem statement first. So India has over 5 million gig delivery workers, people who are working for Swiggy, Zomato, Dunzo, Zepto, and many other big companies. These are daily wage workers. If they don't ride, they don't earn. Now, here's the thing, they have zero income protection. If it rains heavily in Hyderabad for 4 hours, a Swiggy rider who is sitting at home earns exactly 0 rupees. If there's a curfew, a band, an AQI spike, same thing, zero income. Traditional insurance doesn't work here because these workers earn only 400 to 800 rupees a day. They can't afford 5,000 per year premiums. Filling claims is too complex. They don't have time to fill forms or upload documents. Payout takes weeks. They need money today, not 45 days later. So we asked, what if insurance could work as fast as their delivery app? What if the moment it starts raining, the system automatically detects it, creates a claim, checks for fraud, and sends money to the UPI, all in under 2 minutes? No forms, no approvals, no waiting. So, what is the solution? That exactly what Gig Finance does. We use a concept called parametric insurance. In traditional insurance, you file a claim, someone reviews it, they verify the damage. Then maybe you get paid after weeks. In parametrics insurance, the trigger is the proof. We monitor 6 types of disruption events in real time: heavy rainfall, extreme AQI, severe wind, prolonged flooding, curfew or band, or platform outages. When any of these cross the threshold in a worker's registered zone, the claim is auto-created. There's no human in the loop for detection. Let's say it's 4:15 p.m. And IMD data shows rainfall has crossed 73 mm per hour in Kondapur, Hyderabad. At 4:15, our system picks up the threshold breach. The zone is activated. At 4:16, claims are auto-created for all 48 workers registered in Kondapur. At 417, fraud scoring runs. Each claim gets a score from 0 to 1. If the score is below 0.7, it passes. Above 0.7, it gets flagged for manual review. Immediately after, 21,600 total payout is processed. Each worker approx getting 480 per hour credited to their UPI. All of this happens in under 2 minutes. The worker does not even need to open the app. The money just shows up. Now, a platform isn't just for workers. We built it for 3 distinct roles. The first one is the delivery worker. This is the end user. The second one is the platform admin. Think of this as the operations team. They monitor live disruptions across cities, manage the claim queue, review flagged claims, and track all registered workers. Then comes the insurer or the risk manager. This is basically the underwriter. They take care about loss ratios, premium versus claims data, zone level risk analysis, and payout forecasting. Each role has its own dedicated dashboard with completely different screens. Let me show you all three. So let me log in as a worker first. So let's click this button and we have given demo details as of now. And based on demo details, we are logging in. So we sign in as a worker and this is the workers dashboard basically. And you can see good evening Ravi Kumar with today's date. Below is the live alert banner. You can see that yeah, this is also demo data. It is, we have just kept it so as to make sure that they get live alerts. And the dashboard entirely shows what are the claims that they are currently having, what is the coverage this week they will be getting under their what kind of plan they have activated, and what are the total earnings across all the claims they have, and how much premium they have to pay this week, their policy details, their all of their claims in different zones, and notifications about their claims, about any calamity, a curfew, and the policy they have renewed. AQI spike, etc. Let's proceed with the admin login. So we have to fill the demo credentials and we sign in as admin. So this is the admin dashboard. He tracks what are the active policies and what are the live disruptions, the payout this week, the loss ratio, and what are the different types of events and which event had the most impact. These are the live events. Let's say it's Bangalore City. It has the rainfall AQI curfew there. And based on that, we also have the event log to understand what events might come up on the particular day. This is the queue for the claims plus fraud that may occur if a person tries to claim a payout by using fake data or submitting wrong data. And workers. These are all the details of the workers. So how many workers are there, how many are active and how many are inactive. So which platform they work for, the zone, the number of claims they have, and how much they have earned. And finally, let's log in into the insurer login. Sorry, we have to fill the demo credentials first. And yeah, this is the insurer dashboard. So how many premiums collected this month, the claims paid this month, what is the loss ratio, and what is the net surplus this month. So basically, he has premiums versus claims data, and based on that, he calculates the loss ratio. The zone analytics, how many workers are there in the zones? Let's say the zone is Hyderabad. Under Hyderabad, there are many zones. So their zone-wise breakdown happens. So Kondapur has 48 workers, Gachibowli has 35 workers, and so on. There are this many policies in Kondapur, 31 policies in Gachibowli. And how many claims are being utilized there in Kondapur and Gachibowli, and so on. What are the payouts? And what is the risk level? Basically, how frequently calamities happen. Based on that, the risk level is calculated and the risk forecast. So basically, what are the current conditions in Hyderabad, the rainfall, AQI curfew, active triggers, and what might be the next week forecast based on the current conditions. And these are the payouts that happen because of various events, and it also gives the details about the worker and which zones in which zone they were working and how much amount they were paid out and whether it's settled or it's processing or it has been flagged. So this is basically all the dashboards that we can explore through our application, and this is how Geek Finance works. We are not just building insurance, we are building a financial safety net that works at the speed of the gig economy. The premium is 47 a week, less than the cost of a cup of chai a day. And when it rains, that 57 turns into 480 per hour of protection. That's gig finance. Parametric income protection. Automated, transparent, and instant. Instant. Thank you.